What is a library in Python? Let's get started with a simple scenario. Imagine a lab with a researcher named Dr. Pi. She wants to analyze DNA sequences or simulate chemical interactions. Dr. Pi is writing calculations by hand and transcribing lab data manually. It is slow and error-prone. That's where Python libraries come in. They are like specialized lab kits that automate complex scientific tasks. Instead of writing every line of code from scratch, scientists and developers use these libraries to speed up their work and ensure accuracy. For example, this line imports the pandas library, reads a dataset, and shows the results, all in just a few lines. But let's have a closer look into the libraries and see what's inside them. Behind Python libraries, there are powerful modules, and modules contain functions, classes, and variables, just like a toolbox. And everything runs quietly in the background and is abstracted away from the user. Let's say you're working in Python and you want to calculate a square root. You simply type and import math and then math.sqrt of 9. So we want to calculate a square root of 9. The result is a nice clean tree. But what's really going on behind the scene when you import the math library? You're not just pulling in some Python code, you're tapping into the power of C code that runs deep beneath Python's surface. Let's follow the path of math.sqrt of 9 all the way down to its C-level source code. Right here, this is the actual function under the hood. It starts converting your input, the number 9, into a C-level double. Then it checks, is the number negative? If so, it outputs a value error because, well, a square root of negative numbers aren't real, at least not here. And finally, it computes the square root using the C function sqrt of x and wraps the result back into a Python object with pyfloat on the line from double. Therefore, when a library is imported, Python handles the underlying operations behind the scene, and the procedures are abstracted from the user. Python libraries are designed to hide the internal complexity and provide a simple interface to the user. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.